In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can build karma on Reddit. So to build karma on Reddit, it isn't that complicated and you do it mainly in one of two ways. The first way is by posting and commenting. So if you go onto any post on Reddit and then you comment on it and you post a valuable comment that adds insight to the conversation, then what's going to happen then is people are going to start upvoting your comment, and you can see these little up and down arrows over here. That's for the up and down votes. So if I upvote this post right now, then that person is going to get some karma. And if I go into the comments of this post and I start upvoting comments in the comment section, those people are associated with the comments are going to start getting some karma. So to build karma by posting, you're just going to post on Reddit and then people are naturally going to upvote your post. But if you do get downvotes, then you are going to lose karma points. So just keep that in mind. You never want to spam on Reddit. You always want to provide value and add to the conversation so that you minimize the risk of getting downvotes onto your post and comments. So that's how posting and commenting works. And the other way of getting karma on Reddit is by giving awards and receiving awards. So if I try to find one, I don't think I'll find one right now, but if you go to some posts on Reddit, you're going to see above the post are like these different award emojis, and those are going to also give you karma points. So the more rewards that you get, also the more karma you're going to build on Reddit. But I would say the main way of getting karma would be to post as much value as you can onto Reddit. People are going to upvote your comments and your posts, and you're going to build your karma that way. You can see if I go to my profile, I have 25 karma, and I just built that up by posting on Reddit and commenting. And the more you do it, the more you stay consistent, the more karma you're going to build over time, and eventually you'll have quite a bit of karma. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.